First of all, thank you everybody for being here today.
Some people just prefer to run alone. Some people run alone because they are nervous to run in a group for fear of holding others back. Enter the Boston Bulldogs Running Club, a running club that doesn't care how fast or how slowly you run, just that you show up.
But again, I have to stress this, you can't do it alone.
The Boston Bulldogs provide a community for those adversely affected by addiction. Some are celebrating years of sobriety. Some have someone sober in their life. Others have lost. Together, they heal and they run.
I started dating someone who was in the Bulldogs, and he loved it. He loved running, and unfortunately, he passed away in June of 2020. And at first, I just would show up here just so I could stop crying. I'm like, if I go on a run, at least that's better than, sitting at home by myself or being upset.
We've lost a couple guys on this team and so many other people who wish they could be standing where I am today, and unfortunately through addiction they're not here anymore and able to run. So I'm just hoping that I can inspire some people to let them know that, like, dude, you think you can't do this, but in reality you can.
It was just my schedule every single week, always included being here on Saturdays, being in Quincy with the Bulldogs on Mondays, and I just fell in love with it. Like, they're great influences, it's just completely changed my life.
While most members grew up watching and dreaming of crossing the finish line of the Boston Marathon, inclusivity of all who want to run gives the Bulldogs their identity.
This group, for me, is like a family, because they don't care what is your problem. They don't care if you run fast or slow. They are always for you.
A lot of times, I can get in my head and be like, oh, why do I do this? And then there are some mornings that I wake up and I'm like, this is absolutely incredible. Like, this is what I've been dying to do for the last 30 years. And never ever thought I could do it without this group.
Sometimes when you feel so sad or you think the life is so hard, they send you a text, hey, we are waiting for you, wake up, we need you. You are part of the people that need you.
To some of the Bulldogs that are in recovery, running is not an addiction. It's a way of life. It's a way to reconnect with the world and your surroundings. It's a positive sense of community where the message is clear. No one should have to go through what they're dealing with alone.
The marathon has become kind of a symbol, almost of renewal, where like 5 years ago, I never thought I'd be running a marathon. And for my wife and kids, who, basically saw me at my worst, it's a lesson for them, especially for my children, that it's never too late to flip that script.
Meetings have been great, and having a community of other people that are sober is great, but I was always missing something. The running, it felt good and it felt right, even though I didn't have the community right away. Finding the community, it was like stepping through the curtains, like, oh, I found my people. It completely filled that void of wanting or needing anything else or feeling empty at times. The running community has completely filled that for me.